Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos from your camera roll on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Now swipe up. Now tap on camera roll. Now select any picture you like. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Edit Snap. Now you can edit the snap just like before. You can add text as you like. You can reposition and resize it as you like. You can also draw anything you want. You can also add an emoji. You can also add stickers. Reposition and resize it as you like. When you are done, tap on the blue button on bottom right corner. Now you can send this snap to your friend or you can send it to your story. And that's how you can edit photos from your camera roll on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.